Welcome to Autofaze. I'm T Brand. Today we're checking out the Performance Racing Industry Show. Let's go ahead and head inside and check it out. So this is day two. Of PRI. Basically what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you all of my favorite rides here. There's so much to show and share here, so I'm not going to be able to do that. This is my second day here, and there's no way I'm going to be able to see everything. So go ahead and come along for the ride. So the Kingpin Nova is actually a car that's local to me. Whoa, but I haven't seen it in person yet, so I'm gonna find it. It's way over there somewhere. We're definitely gonna go check it out before we leave today. And it's pretty early in the morning, so hopefully we can get some shots of it by itself. The crowd isn't as crazy as it was yesterday, so we'll see what we can do. That is seriously the coolest chair ever. Forget about my hat hair for just 1 minute and let's focus on Tekton Tools. These guys absolutely smashed the prices. The tools last. I've been using them for about a year. Honestly, I really should make a video about it. If you haven't checked them out already, go ahead and hit them up. Look who I ran into. It's JP. He said he wasn't going to say anything, so anyway, there he is.
Wait. What's up, YouTube?
He's building a Nova, so he's here trying to get some deals, sling some discounts, maybe see what he can get. Personally, I don't think it's going too well, but
It's going great. So we're going with a Pro Charger. Texas Speed's building me a 427 as we speak. I've got a drive shaft company I'm going to be working with, a whole bunch of other stuff. Come over to my channel. Forget him. Don't listen to his channel. Come over to my channel, RRM Motorsports, or RRM Garage, whatever the hell I named it this time. Come on over. It's a 66 Nova. It's going to be sick. Small tire car. We're doing Rocky Mountain Race Week. We're doing drag week. We're going to do some no prep stuff. Well, I'm looking at dogs because I'm obsessed with dogs. But come over, hit the like button, subscribe, smash that gram. I don't know. Anyways, back to his stuff.
so basically that's how you get someone to talk who doesn't want to talk on camera. Watching, I'm T. Brand. We'll see you on the next one.